So in this tutorial, we learn how to download and install Go programming language in Windows 11. So first open your default browser and search for Go. Click the official link go.dev and later you'll be welcomed on the official website. Click the download button. Here you'll see different operating systems you want to download for Windows. So click the Windows file and wait for your file to get downloaded. So the download is complete. Right click and click open to begin the installation process. Minimize. Click next. So here you have the license agreement. Click next. So the installed files will be located in this location. I'll leave mine in default, but if you want to change your directory, click on the change button and choose your location. Afterwards, click next and click install. Click yes for the app to make changes to your device. So our installation is complete. We have successfully installed in our Windows 11. And click finish. You can verify the version by typing cmd in our search bar. Open the command prompt and here type go space version and press enter. I see that you have downloaded and installed the latest version 24.3. So let's set the path. Remember that the installed files are located in the local disk C. So open the file explorer, open the C drive, open the program files folder and search for Go folder. Here it is, open it. Open bin, copy this path, close, come to the search bar once again and search for environment. So edit the system environment variables, open it. Under the advanced options, click environment variables. Under the system variables, double click path, click new and paste the path that you have recently copied and click OK, OK and the last OK. So that's how to download and install Go in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. I'm Edwin from Pro Education.